got it. Could you go underwater? No? Can you blow bubbles? Can you go underwater? No?
My nose.
You know, hold your nose. Violet is getting changed. Don't put it on there, it's going to make it slippery, buddy. You can dump it in the pool, but not outside of the pool. Don't, Vincent, don't go in there, okay? And do not jump, alright? We don't jump in the pool, because we might hurt ourselves.
Oh, they're dirty.
What's dirty?
My hair is dirty.
Okay.
I'm going out.
No, it's just sand.
Just sand.
Yeah, it's just sand.
Over here's not sand. Over here's not sand. Daddy! Daddy!
Okay, I'll get it.
Hey, Emma!
Alright. Come here.
Grandma!
I'll help you.
Grandma!
Alright. Let's pull it up. Put your arm through.
Grandma! Grandma!
Put your arm through. Turn around.
Grandma!
Look at me.
Grandma!
All done. Are you happy?
Grandma!
Say, look at my crazy eyebrows. Come on.
Another truck! It's a noisy truck!
It's a fire truck. Fire.
I'm in.
Go. You want to come with me? Say please. I got you. Let's watch your brother.
Grandma, come in here.
Okay, just a minute. Let me put these things out the way.
Mama.
Mommy, see right
No.
You want to know what? You want to get on the edge? Alright.
Mommy?
Go on. Get on. Get on the edge. There you go.
You're
alright.
I get on the edge.
Don't climb out. Let's be in the pool.
Let's be in the pool.
We are in the pool. We love the pool.
Yeah, we love it.
Where are you going, little girl?
Much. We love the pool so
No running,
much.
okay?
We love this pool.
We do.
I love this pool at night. We love it at night. This one is.
So now I got rid of it.
Daddy.
Okay,
Daddy.
time to get my britches wet again.
Thank you, Daddy.
I see you. Are you pushing the green pail?
Did you see Mama? Can you see Mama on the phone?
No. This is just like a recorder. Yeah, it doesn't show her on it. So we gotta download it and then send it to her. No.
Nobody works outside. And then everybody's off to the Fourth of July. Yes, ma'am.
Yep.
I'm not a baby, I'm not a boy.
Well, you're not a baby boy. I don't have another little baby boys.
Yes, big boys.
I know I do. I got 4 big boys.
They're going on the head.
We better leave the water in the pool. We won't have anything to play.
What you doing?
I'm getting out.
Okay, where are you going? Violet, don't pour it on there. You're gonna slip.
You better keep the water in
here.
the pool.
Now watch me.
No, ma'am. Pour it out in the pool.
Like this. Let mommy have it. Grandma have it.
There you go.
Let go, please. Let go, please.
Ow.
Let go, please.
Daddy.
Buddy, what you
Daddy.
doing? Buddy.
Let's get your sand off your arm. Okay, there it goes. Hurry. Go get it. Go get it. Grandma hold you.
She's got it, Grandma.
I will not hurt.
She knows where the edge is.
I'm going to get on.
Do it again?
I'm going to sit on the
You're going
edge.
Okay, let me sit down. Hold on.
I'm going to sit on the edge. Daddy.
What, buddy?
I'm going to sit on the edge.
Boy, that felt good.
Nice and wet
Heard
for
a
you.
slosh. Oh, mercy, mercy me. I think I have a thing that you can put that in.
Put what in?
You can put your little doohickey in and
Uh-huh.
it'll show the pictures. Like Kim and Richard did.
You have a computer in the condo?
It's kind of like a picture thing. You just put the little thing in and
Okay.
it shows you pictures.
I'll look at it when we go back up there.
Yeah. I need to take all those slides and have them put on something.
Yeah.
Gee, you got a suntan, girl.
Where are
You
you
got
going?
a beautiful tan.
Sneaky Vincent.
Yes. You just determined to bang your head on that thing. Whee!
It's fine. You let her learn and she'll remember where it
Yeah,
is.
but I don't want her to fall. Hot dog.
Hot dog?
Hot dog and cold puppies.
No, hot dog, hot dog.
Hot dog and cold puppies.
No one, no. Hot dog, hot dog.
That is
Mickey Mouse.
That is a cute moose. Yeah, the
What?
turtles.
Oh, yeah.
It is really adult.
Here you go.
Honey, that thing on your back is growing again.